Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering and connecting the watch. Plug it in until the battery shows at least 20% because low power interrupts pairing. Open the Zepp app on your phone and sign into or create your account. This centralizes settings and health data. Once done, grant Bluetooth and location permissions so the app can discover the watch and sync GPS-based activities. Make sure notifications are allowed so calls and messages appear. Now tap Add Device and select your Zepp Watch to begin pairing. After pairing, update the firmware first, because updates fix bugs and add features. The app shows progress and may reboot the watch. Next, customize watch faces and widget order in the Zepp app so your most used data is one swipe away. This saves time during workouts. Configure notification filters to reduce distractions and set activity goals plus heart rate and sleep tracking preferences so metrics match your fitness plan. Once configured, sync to apply changes and test a quick run or step. You'll use the watch daily to record activities and check metrics. Begin an activity by selecting the sport on the watch and pressing start. That ensures GPS and heart rate sampling begin accurately. Make it a habit to sync manually after long workouts, although auto-sync keeps data current if enabled. If something goes wrong, pairing fails or metrics stop updating, restart both devices, confirm Bluetooth and permissions, then repair in the Zepp app. This resolves most issues and preserves your health history.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.